Mama's gonna blow it out, okay? Okay. Let me take the candle out of your bone. Alright, hold on. Let Mama cut it in half so you guys can each have a piece, okay? Little baby cake for the pups. This is a cakes that I bought especially for dogs. It's got like yogurt icing, and so Dashiell, you want yours first? Eat it. Good boy. Happy birthday. Monkey. Happy birthday, Monk. Oh, look at the mess you guys are making. Oh, boy. Leave it to Dash to drop his all over the floor. Happy birthday, boys. Was that good? Happy birthday. I love you, boys. Happy year-old birthday.